Some members of an Indiana school board are getting a huge raise. The Switzerland County School Board voted to cover itself under a health insurance plan, and taxpayers are footing the whole bill. Fox 19 Now Investigates reporter Jody Barr joins us tonight with how rare this perk is and how much it's costing you. Jody?
Well, Megan, let's be clear. This insurance plan, well, it isn't completely free for those school board members. It will cost them. They'll get full health, dental, and vision coverage for one of these, a single dollar bill.
The motion I'd like to make is to pay what the teachers pay, starting with tonight's meeting.
Switzerland County School Board member Joe Bennett tried to fight it.
They pay the portion just like a teacher would.
He argued it wasn't right that his school board would receive the same health insurance coverage as its teachers, but the board would pay next to nothing for it. Meanwhile, the county's teachers pay upward of $10,000 a year for the same coverage. Bennett tried to force the board to pay the same as teachers.
Aye. 3 nays. 4.
But this vote killed Bennett's plan. Board members Wayne Doherty, Bill Roberts, Jill Cord, and Nancy Peters voted themselves health insurance coverage at $1 a year. Following the vote, Chris Oatman told the board the move might have cost them their jobs.
So I guess it's up to the county voters, us lowly, poor, uneducated folks, to come back and show some of you that we're the one that put you in there.
Switzerland County is alone with this perk. We checked with every single school board in our tri-state viewing area to see if this same perk is offered elsewhere. No district offers it in Ohio because it would be considered an illegal benefit. It is allowed in Kentucky, but the districts we checked with don't offer it at all. None of the Indiana counties we cover offer this benefit except for 3 board members in Union County who were all grandfathered in to a similar deal years ago before that board banned the perk. We asked the 4 who voted for the insurance to explain their votes to taxpayers. What would you like to tell taxpayers about why this board deserves?
I have no comment on that.
You can't explain your vote to the public?
I don't have to explain that.
These teachers in this district are paying upwards of $10,000 a year. You all are paying a buck.
Well, when I get paid a salary more than $2,000, I'd probably rethink it.
We'd like to talk with you about your vote on the insurance agreement tonight.
Good.
Could you explain to the public why you and 3 other members of this board felt?
Can't answer for other 3. I know why I did.
Okay.
Thank you.
And could you tell us why? How you doing, Ms. Cord?
I'm fine, thank you.
We would like to talk to you about your vote tonight to insure yourself for $1.
I'm not going to speak to you, sir.
Do you feel that this board should be covered by a health insurance plan where teachers are paying upwards of $10,000 a year?
I just don't have any more comments, sir. Thank you, though.
So what is this costing taxpayers? Well, the district tells us the 4 members who voted for this coverage, well, they all signed up for it this year. Since 2011, the coverage has cost taxpayers $500,000. Now, this $1 a year coverage ends December 31st, and the board member, Joe Bennett, tells us he'll fight again next year to stop what he describes as a waste of your tax dollars. In the studio, Jody Barr, Fox 19 Now investigates.